Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below on what topic we will discuss in our next video. At the end of the video I have a bonus recipe of avocado. Let's begin. Avocados are said to be one of the few whole foods which can provide your body with all the essential amino acids that your body needs to create its own proteins. Because of this, mashed avocados are often given to babies as their first solid food. Avocados are a fruit that is unusually high in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. Many people avoid avocados for this reason as they believe that all fats are bad for their health. But studies show that these are healthy fats which your body needs in order to be able to function properly. Therefore, when you make avocados a part of your daily diet, you can obtain many health benefits and avoid diseases. 1. Heart disease. Believe it or not, but your heart depends on the healthy oils that are found in avocados. These oils do not contain any cholesterol, and can actually help your body to reduce your overall unhealthy cholesterol levels. This can help you to prevent cholesterol plaque buildup, and thereby you can reduce the risk of high blood pressure, atherosclerosis, heart disease and stroke. 2. Prevent cancer. Avocados are high in antioxidants which can help to remove free radicals and the toxins which cause them. A toxic environment is the perfect breeding ground for cancer cells. Thus, if your body is free from toxins, then you will never have to worry about cancer developing. 3. Helps fibromyalgia. Fibromyalgia is a disorder of the muscles and can cause them to go into spasms and cramps. Avocados contain high amounts of potassium and magnesium which help to relax and regulate your muscles to prevent this muscle disorder. 4. Prevent arthritis. Arthritis causes inflammation in the joints and surrounding muscles. Avocados have anti-inflammatory properties which help to reduce that inflammation. 5. Eye health. Avocados are an excellent source of lutein, which is a vitamin that can help to protect you against eye diseases such as cataracts and macular degeneration. 6. Weight gain. Avocados can help you to gain healthy weight if you are underweight. This is due to the tremendous amounts of nutrients and calories that are found in the avocados. In addition, the healthy fats can help you to absorb other nutrients from other foods as well. 7. Weight loss. Believe it or not, but avocados can also help you lose excess weight. This is due to the healthy fats in avocados that help your body to create a hormone known as adiponectin. It helps your body to burn off extra fat cells instead of muscle cells. In addition, the fats also help to make you feel full sooner and longer. Thus they can help to keep you from reaching for other empty calorie foods in between meals. 8. Bad breath. Avocados contain antioxidants which help to remove the toxins in your mouth and digestive system which often contribute to bad breath. 9. Healthy hair. Mashed avocados are an excellent hair conditioner. Simply mash one avocado and massage into your hair and scalp. Leave it in for about 20 to 30 minutes and rinse out. You can then wash your hair with your regular shampoo and conditioner. 10. Anti-aging. Last but not least, avocados help the body to remain young both on the inside and out. By making avocados a part of your daily diet, and avoiding other toxic foods, you can reduce the risk of many age-related diseases such as cancer, arthritis, memory loss, and diabetes. Externally, avocados will help to prevent wrinkles by increasing the collagen production and by cleaning and moisturizing the skin. To obtain immediate results, you can apply mashed avocados to your face or skin and let it soak up the toxins as it restores essential nutrients back to your skin. How to obtain these health benefits? In order to obtain these benefits, simply start adding avocados to your daily diet. Avocados make a great addition to vegetable and garden salads. You can also add them to your fruit smoothies for a rich and creamy texture. Or, if you are brave, you can eat them right out of the shell with a dash of sea salt on top. As I've promised, here is the most simple, delicious and healthy recipe. Avocado salads with tomato. Avocados also pair well great with tomatoes and onions. An easy avocado salad recipe is as follows. Peel and chop avocado. Chop onions. Chop tomatoes. And cilantro. Mix all of them together, dress very simply with lime juice, salt, and pepper and serve. All About Life TV is saying always. Life is short, live it. Love is rare, grab it. Anger is bad, dump it. Fear is awful, face it. Memories are sweet, cherish it. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get notified. Thank you.